Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna make a video on the unboxing of the Okay, here's the Tecware Phantom L, the low profile mechanical keyboard. So this is a 10 keyless version. I don't think Tecware has made I think this is the 10 keyless. Yeah, as you can see, 10 keyless, you don't have the number pad. I don't they have the full size one, with the I think 100 plus goddamn keyboard. So here's the 10 keyless, which I'm going to deploy for my laptop here. So as you can see, it's RGB, it's all craze or RGB. As you can see, Tecware. They also made PC case also, and mice. Okay, here's the specification on the back. So as you can see, A70 standard QWERTY layout. This is as you can see, it's like a American layout. As you can see, US layout. Yep, and also LED lighting, 16.8 colors, RGB, and blah blah blah. Switch is the switch that I bought is using the using brown switches. Is the Ultimo brown. This is not your Cherry MX. It's not Cherry MX, but yeah. And also rollover, full N key rollover, and you can use the multimedia keys. And cable, includes the cable. Wow, yes, a 1.8 meter braid USB-C cable. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, system requirements, Windows, it runs Windows. 1 year warranty, and the dimension 351.5 by 133 by 30.8 millimeters, and it weighs 589 grams with a cable. So, and also it has a software, but I ain't going to install it because of bloatware. I'm gonna use the keyboard as is. Should be sort of. So the keyboard includes the keyboard, puller tool, switch puller tool, and spare switch in case one of them have failed. As you can see, is the difference between the switches. So here's the standard switch, is more taller than the low profile switch. Here's the standard keyboard size, and here we have Phantom L, which is shorter than the regular standard keyboard. Here it is. So let's start unboxing it. So hey, there's no layout thing. So okay. Whoa! I almost dropped. I dropped my phone. Okay. Jeez. Okay, it's well, nice package, to be honest. Oops. I haven't even tested it. Oh, I love the. Oh my god. I love them. I love the switches. It's quite tactile. And leave it aside as it. Leave it aside. And what we have. So, braided USB-C cable. And we have our keycap puller and some extra switches in case one of those switches doesn't stop working. Alright, what is this? Alright, okay, let me just open the bag of goodies. Here you have a keyboard, what do you call it? The keyboard things. Okay, keycap puller. Yeah, keycap puller. Sorry. I'm wanting to say that one. And here we have this was a keycap. The switch puller. Sorry. And we got four four brown switches on Taru. These are low profiles brown switches. Actually, we can put on behind the keyboard. It's quite handy. Well, actually, I can tell you this is quite handy in case one of my switch fails, and I can use this, or I can just buy from them, online. So here we have the product itself. And it's gorgeous, I can tell you. This is really gorgeous. To me, in person, it's super gorgeous, as you can see. Oh my god, I love the keyboard. This is so nice to type on. More nicer than my Microsoft keyboard, which I am going to open to show you. It's way nicer than my Microsoft keyboard. Actually, there's some same tactile. This is a round switches. They have some tactile, while the red switches they are quite linear, and the blue switches are very clicky and noisy, which I don't really like. Well, as you can see, the Microsoft keyboard is total garbage, and it uses the what you call that membrane switch, which I really don't like. I want to move on with those. So here we have the keyboard. This is a 10 keyless. This is my favorite. My favorite. I've been wanting this for a very long time. Okay, on the back. Okay, here on back. I thought we were gonna have the keycap holder. So nope. Yes, it's nope. So it has. Okay, so it seems it had thing. Oh, my camera dropped. Alright, so I'm gonna put the things back, the keycap holder out, and okay, this is, come on, let's put it back. Alright, let's put it back, and yup. So here are the cables. I'm planning to use the short one, but this one at least this is good enough. Hey, it includes the cable ties. It has the included cable ties. That's very nice. Very nice. This is my first time using a gaming keyboard. Okay, so let me just type my password. I'm not going to show you. And yeah, I'm using an Acer. Yes, so it's going to be nice. I love the Tecware keyboard. I've been liking Tecware keyboard because one of my friends recommends the brand. I know this brand, but that is my first time know that brand. So alright, let's test the keyboard, and I have to goddamn. Alright, and goddamn, it's quite long, to be honest, and we have the keyboard. This is so nice to type on, and it's setting up the thing. Hopefully they say Tecware. Yay! Oh god, this is my favorite keyboard. Okay, let me just open Notepad. Here is the testing of the Tecware Phantom L 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. It is the brown switches. So yeah, let me just try and let it elevate the keyboard a bit. Oh my god, this is gorgeous to type on. 3 brown boxes, jumps over the lazy dog. And I forgot to just, yes, this is my favorite. Yeah, as you can see, I've typed the quick word, and yeah, I just typed accidentally. Nice. Very excited. So this is a video that is kind of like special. It's quite a special video, and yeah, this is CM1, CM2. I have no idea what. I have no idea what are those. These things. Dude, there's some kind of hotkeys. I think it's some kind of hotkeys that you can use to program the laptop. But this is a special video. I'm not going to put some edit this video. I just straight away post on YouTube. And here we go. This is the review of my unboxing and testing the Tecware Phantom L 10 keyless keyboard. And hope you like this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I forgot to add something, but gonna include for this video. I'm gonna turn off the lights. See, I can show you show you. As you can see, the RGB glowing, but who needs a goddamn software? Who needs a goddamn software? So, alright. And also one thing I forgot to do when you get a new product, to smell it. That's so great. It's so great. New smell, man. Okay, let's say for this video, catch you guys next time. Bye.